Designs are full of ambition, but manufacturing brings harsh reality.
Supply chain fluctuations, failed quality control. Assembly errors ruined everything in the final mile.
From design and prototyping to testing, mass production, and packaging, every step is exhausting.
If you've ever faced, or are now facing, these challenges, RapidDirect's NPI service is exactly what you need. At RapidDirect, our mission is to bridge the gap between design and manufacturing, because we understand how difficult it is to turn a new idea into a market-ready product. We're committed to turning complexity into clarity and transforming ideas into reality. In the design stage, we help create or optimize your product to ensure it's manufacturable from the start, laying a strong foundation for scaling up while keeping costs under control. During DVT and EVT, we provide fast and reliable prototyping, functional testing, and iterative improvements, all supported by professional project management. When it's time for production and assembly, our in-house facilities and trusted suppliers make it possible to manufacture at scale without compromising on lead times or quality. As for packaging, we handle everything from custom design to final delivery, making sure your product is ready for launch right out of the box. With our NPI solution, clients typically reduce development time by 20%, cut costs by 30%, and increase their product launch success rate by over 50%. Behind these results lies RapidDirect's solid capability, robust in-house manufacturing facilities, a trusted and flexible supply chain, a tech-driven integrated platform, and a professional project team that ensures every detail is taken care of.
Their engineering team guided me through every step. We saved time, money, and a whole lot of trouble.
With RapidDirect's NPI service, my idea finally became a real product.
The whole process was smooth and worry-free. I'd recommend RapidDirect's NPI service to any product team.
Ready to speed up your product development? Contact us now and let's make it happen.